Yo, what's up everybody? It's me! Listen, we all know the struggle is real when you're on the move. New time zones, tempting treats, and let's be honest, sometimes the last thing you want to do is hit the gym. But what if I told you staying healthy while traveling doesn't have to be a total drag? In this video, I'm dropping some serious truth bombs on how to stay on top of your game, no matter where your adventures take you. We're talking staying active, eating clean, and most importantly, mastering the art of chill. Because let's face it, travel should be about embracing new experiences, not stressing about your waistline. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you feeling your best on the go. Alright, first things first, let's talk about movement. Movement is essential, especially when you're away from your usual routine. Now, I get it. You're on vacation, the last thing you want to do is be stuck in a stuffy hotel gym. It can feel like a chore, right? But trust me, staying active on the road is easier than you think. You don't need fancy equipment or a dedicated space. We're talking simple, efficient, and most importantly, fun ways to keep your body moving. Think outside the box and make it enjoyable. Think about it. Exploring a new city? Ditch the Uber and pound the pavement. Walking is a fantastic way to see the sights and stay fit. Hotel got a staircase? Boom, instant cardio. It's a great way to get your heart pumping without any special equipment. And don't even get me started on the power of bodyweight exercises. They're incredibly effective and can be done anywhere. Push-ups, squats, lunges, no equipment needed, just you and your inner beast mode. These exercises target multiple muscle groups. Plus, who needs a gym when you've got breathtaking scenery as your backdrop? Nature can be the best motivator. Throw on your favorite playlist, lace up those sneakers, and turn that morning jog into a scenic adventure. Music can really boost your mood. Remember, it's not about punishing yourself. It's about feeling good and keeping that energy high. Exercise should be a joy, not a burden. Oh, and here's a pro tip: pack a resistance band. It's a small, lightweight tool that can make a big difference. This little guy is a game changer, trust me. You can do a full body workout with just a resistance band. It's lightweight, versatile, and perfect for squeezing in a quick workout in your hotel room. No excuses. And hey, if you do find yourself craving some gym time, check if your hotel has a fitness center. Many hotels offer great facilities. You never know, you might just discover your new favorite workout buddy. It's a great way to meet new people and stay motivated. The key here is to get creative and make it work for you. Adapt to your surroundings and find what feels right. Remember, staying active on the road is all about finding those little pockets of time and turning them into opportunities to move your body. Every bit counts. So ditch the excuses, embrace the journey, and let's get physical. Your body and mind will thank you. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food. Whether you're a foodie or just someone who loves to eat, food is a huge part of the travel experience. Look, I'm all about indulging in local delicacies when I travel, but let's be real, those airport snacks and greasy fast food joints can sabotage even the best of intentions. They might be convenient, but they often leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. But here's the thing, eating healthy on the go doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or fun. In fact, it can be an adventure in itself, discovering new and exciting healthy options. It's all about making smart choices and planning ahead. A little preparation can go a long way in ensuring you have nutritious options at your fingertips. Before you even leave your house, pack a stash of healthy snacks. This way, you won't be tempted by unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Think trail mix, fruit, protein bars, all great choices that are easy to carry and can keep you energized throughout your journey. Basically, anything that will satisfy your cravings without derailing your healthy vibes. It's all about balance and making sure you have options that are both tasty and good for you. And once you're at your destination, don't be afraid to explore the local markets and grocery stores. These places often have the freshest and most nutritious options available. You'll be amazed at the fresh, healthy options you can find. From vibrant fruits and vegetables to local specialties, there's always something new to try. Another pro tip, stay hydrated. Water is essential for keeping your energy levels up and your body functioning properly. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. Dehydration can sneak up on you, especially when you're busy exploring new places. Dehydration is a real buzzkill, especially when you're traveling. It can make you feel tired, cranky, and less able to enjoy your trip. So carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times and make it your mission to refill it throughout the day. This simple habit can make a huge difference in how you feel. Trust me, your body will thank you. Staying hydrated keeps you feeling refreshed and ready for whatever adventures come your way. And remember, it's all about balance. You don't have to be perfect, just make more good choices than bad ones. If you want to indulge in a decadent dessert or try that local street food, go for it. Enjoying the local cuisine is part of the travel experience. Just don't make it a habit. Moderation is key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle while still enjoying yourself. Eating healthy on the road is all about making conscious choices that fuel your body and make you feel good. It's about finding that sweet spot where health and enjoyment meet. So, ditch the junk food and make room for the good stuff. Embrace the power of fresh, whole foods. They not only taste better, but also provide the nutrients your body needs. And let's eat our way to a healthier, happier trip, because at the end of the day, it's all about feeling good and making the most of your adventures. Alright, let's talk about the real MVP of a healthy trip: managing stress and prioritizing sleep. These two elements can make or break your travel experience, turning a potentially chaotic journey into a serene adventure. Because let's be real, travel can be chaotic. The hustle and bustle of crowded airports, the rush of busy train stations, and the constant movement in bustling city streets can be overwhelming. Delayed flights, lost luggage, navigating unfamiliar territories, it's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. These common travel woes can quickly turn excitement into frustration. But here's the thing, stressing out won't get you anywhere except maybe a headache. Instead of letting stress take over, it's crucial to find ways to manage it effectively. So what's the solution? Mastering the art of chill. This means finding your own methods to stay calm and collected, no matter what travel throws your way. And no, I'm not talking about zoning out in front of the TV all day. While a bit of screen time can be relaxing, it's not the most effective way to truly unwind. I'm talking about actively incorporating relaxation techniques into your travel routine. These practices can help you stay grounded and present, even in the midst of travel chaos. Think deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even just taking a few minutes to yourself to simply be present. These small moments can significantly reduce stress levels. Trust me, these little moments of Zen can make a world of difference. They can transform your travel experience from stressful to serene. And speaking of chill, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining your energy and mood during your travels. I know, when you're on vacation, sleep is often the first thing to go. Late-night adventures and socializing can easily cut into your rest time. But here's the thing, sleep deprivation is a recipe for disaster. It can lead to irritability, fatigue, and a weakened immune system, all of which can ruin your trip. It messes with your mood, your energy levels, and your overall well-being. Without enough rest, even the most exciting destinations can feel like a drag. So make it a priority to get enough shut-eye, even if it means sacrificing a few late-night adventures. Your body and mind will thank you. Pack a sleep mask, earplugs, and a travel pillow to create a comfortable sleep environment, no matter where you are. These small items can make a big difference in the quality of your rest. And try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even across time zones. This can help your body adjust more quickly and maintain a healthy rhythm. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health. A balanced approach ensures a more enjoyable and fulfilling travel experience. So, breathe, relax, and let's make this trip as stress-free as possible. Embrace the journey with a calm mind and a rested body, and you'll create memories that last a lifetime. Chapter 4, Bonus Tips, Finding Your Travel Balance. Alright, before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few bonus tips to help you stay healthy and balanced on the go. First things first, remember that it's all about finding what works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to healthy travel. So, listen to your body, honor your cravings, and don't be afraid to adjust your routine as needed. And most importantly, don't beat yourself up if you slip up. We're all human, we all make mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward. And remember, travel is all about embracing new experiences and stepping outside of your comfort zone. So don't be afraid to try new things, challenge yourself, and most importantly, have fun. Chapter 5. Let's keep the conversation going. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to prioritize your health on your next adventure. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to travel health tips? Share your wisdom in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel vlogs, tips, and adventures. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring. Chapter 6. Gear up for your healthiest trip yet. Yo, before you jet off on your next adventure, I've got some seriously awesome resources to help you stay on top of your game. First up, if you're on the hunt for hotels with killer gyms, spas, or healthy dining options, you need to check out Trip.com. They've got insane deals on accommodations that cater to your wellness needs. Trust me, your body will thank you. And speaking of finding the perfect stay, Agoda is another game changer. They've got a massive selection of hotels with wellness facilities, healthy breakfast options, and even yoga studios. It's like a one-stop shop for all your travel wellness needs. And last but not least, if you're looking to step up your travel fitness game, Amazon is your new best friend. From resistance bands and jump ropes to portable yoga mats and water bottles, they've got everything you need to stay active on the go. So what are you waiting for? Click the links in the description box below and get ready to experience your healthiest, happiest trip yet. Alright, I gotta run, but seriously, prioritize your health on the road. It's not about deprivation, it's about feeling good. Pack smart, stay active, and remember, a little indulgence never hurt anybody. Now go out there and make some memories. Peace.